What's up, everybody? Welcome to Low Country Volkswagen. I got to show you the deal of a century right now. I'm telling you right now, we got a car parked right back here. We're going to keep walking backwards to get to it. Hopefully I don't run into anything. But there's a car right there that is the cutest car in the whole world. It's a good looking car and it's a popular car. It is the 2018 Volkswagen Passat. Now, so you know, this is just a quick video for our Facebook page here today on Low Country Volkswagen. You can purchase a brand new 2018 Passat with $5,000 off MSRP. You heard me correctly, folks. $5,000 off MSRP on a 2018 Volkswagen Passat. That's a deal. Let me tell you, folks. Let me show you what we're talking about here. Here's a 2018 Passat. This is a 2.0 liter turbo SE. It gets 36 miles per gallon on the highway, 25 city for average combined of 29 miles per gallon. 5-star safety ratings overall. Oh, amazing. You know, you want a safe car for your family. But again, this car with the SC 2.0 turbo, it's stickered out at $28,660. Then take $5,000 off of that. You got a heck of a deal. Come on down and see us today at Low Country Volkswagen in Mount Pleasant. It is absolutely beautiful on this side of town. We're by the beaches. We're by historic Charleston. You know, now's the time to come buy a car, folks. School is about to go back. All the kids are going back to school. You want the kids riding in something nice when you're dropping them off in the mornings. And let me tell you right now, the Passat is just the perfect family sedan. Now let me show you why real quickly, okay? Let me show you my most favorite thing about this car. Check this out right here. Watch when I get in this vehicle right now and show you what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at the leg room. That is a ton of leg room. You got space, okay? You have a ton of room in here. I mean, where are you gonna find a sedan, $5,000 under $28,000 that has this much leg room? Where are you going to find it? You're going to find it right here at Low Country. Come see us today. We would love to meet you. Visit us online, browse our inventory. We got a great selection of 2018 Passats in stock right now. VW is the way to go, folks. I'm telling you right now, the slogan is live life low at Low Country Volkswagen. Visit us online at lowcountryvw.com. And man, oh man, we got a great selection of inventory and an absolutely beautiful place to buy a car. We'll see you soon.